Let me show you how this creamy meatball orzo came together. It's the perfect comfort food for that busy weeknight. I start by grabbing my pan, my oven's already preheated. I'm feeling productive, everything's going great. I unwrap the cheese, then realize I didn't spray my pan, so quick save. Then I place the cheese in the center. I go in with a generous amount of sun-dried tomatoes, don't be shy. Then I pour my orzo and level it out so it cooks evenly. Next comes the broth, and this part's important, making sure all of the orzo is covered. I then went in and just kind of leveled everything out. Then comes sprinkling in the seasonings. You can get creative with this, add whatever seasonings you'd like or take away what you don't like. Then I add in my spinach, I just rip it up with my fingers. And I didn't have any meatballs prepped, so yes, I have these frozen ones from Aldi. The ingredients in these aren't too bad. Place them on top and pop it in the oven for the first bake. This part will be covered. After that, I give everything a good mix, then back in the oven uncovered. Guys, this came out so creamy and so comforting. The perfect easy dinner when you don't want to do much. Trust me when I say you're going to want to try this one.